Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabet. Stay with us. First we're using the color of raw silk and writing the alphabet of A. A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg. F. F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, the next one is G. Now we're using the color of pale pink color. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. L for lemon. L for lemon. The next one is M. M for mango. N for nest. O for yes. Orange. P for parrot. Parrot. The next one is Q. The last one is R. R for rose. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.